Hi, Aiden. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, you. You want to say hi to Nana? You want to say good morning, Nana? Yeah? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Say good morning, Nana. Bless you. Oh. You really said good morning, didn't you?
Good morning, Nana.
Hi. Hi. Say hi, Nana. Say, I can't wait to see you, Nana. Go ahead. Hey, cutie. You're getting big.
Yeah, he is.
You're getting
Nana, he
big.
is 9 pounds, 5 ounces now.
I can tell her, Dad. Yeah. See, he told her. Say bye, Nana. Talk to you later. All right. He waves bye-bye.